And அடுத்ததா வந்து we've got the man with the plan, the man behind தலைவி. ஜென்ரலா வந்து the producers வந்து ரைட்டர், டைரக்டர் எல்லாமே வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மீட்டிங்ல அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஐடியேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆனா இவர் வந்து ஐடியேட் பண்ணிட்டு தான் அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ரைட்டர் டீமா இருக்கட்டும் இல்ல டைரக்ஷன் டீமா இருக்கட்டும் அவர் வந்து ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. Truly the man with the plan. Let me please welcome producer Vishnu Vardhan Induri onto the stage, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm not good at expressing, but I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's been support for me in making this film happen. When we first wanted to make this film, me and Vijay met, and we both had the same title in head. We wrote it on paper. We wanted to see what is his title, and he wanted to see what my title was. When we showed to each other, it was Talaivi. And that's the day we thought we were in sync. And then we met Vijayendra Prasad Garu because he put soul into the script. He is the one who made this film. Every emotion that you saw on screen is his idea. And Vijayendra Prasad Garu brought Kangana into the film, and we started going. We approached Arvind Garu, and he was skeptical in the beginning, but finally we could convince him to be on board, and that's a great strength for this film. Thank you, sir. And when we were making the film, we had a number of challenges, and God's grace, everyone who was sitting here supported us wholeheartedly, and Vijay, as our team leader, took the right decisions, right direction, and we are here today. In spite of all the challenges that we faced during the pandemic, we could come out successful. And I would like to thank every cast and crew in the film. Samudrakani sir, Tambiramaya sir, Bhageshri ma'am, Madhubala ma'am, and everyone. One thing that gave us confidence to move ahead with the project before starting the project was the letter given by Deepak. Thank you, Deepak, for supporting us in making this film happen. And apart from the technicians, I want to thank people who were standing by me, supporting me in every aspect to make this film happen. Like Brinda, she's the creative producer of the film. She's my wife. She knows what we've been going through over the last 1 year to make this film happen. Because of the pandemic, we had a lot of challenges. Apart from that, Thirumal, my co-producer, he stood by me like a rock and told me, Vishnu, we are with you. Go ahead. Whatever you need, we are standing by you. Thanks a lot, Thirumal. And I want to thank Sailesh. He is supposed to be here standing next to me, but unfortunately he's stuck in Ukraine due to Corona. He couldn't make it here. He is a person with a clean heart, and he definitely helped me in mounting this project as big as it is today. Hitesh, my co-producer, he was with us all through. And I thank Deepak Bhai. Sir, you were there in supporting us during the pandemic. Thanks a lot. I'm emotional when it comes to Talaivi film, because usually I'm not an emotional person. I'm a normal person. But when it comes to Talaivi, I don't know why I get very emotional because of the journey that we had. Without the support of all these people sitting here, I would definitely wouldn't have completed the film. Thanks a lot to every individual who supported us. It's a fantastic journey, though we had stress during the pandemic, but we could make it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir.